Okay, so in the same section 8.8, we have one more topic, this. And actually, the topic is same. We will change the method. Topics same means we have to check the given the proper integral is converges or we answer the same question, before break with the help of integration. We calculate the integration and apply limit, and we check if answer is not infinity, converges. If answer is infinity, so diverges. Understand? Okay.
Answer is infinity
Diverges, yes. Now we changed. Okay. Now, basically, in your exam, what question will come like that? Means we are asking using this method. Okay, so yes, please. Because ln 1 is 0 and then again ln 0 is 0. What was it? You have
Ln half isn't.
no. ln half is the answer. The other one.
It's infinity.
ln1 is 0. And then again you have ln outside. It is ln absolute value ln t.
Yes.
If you put t1, the ln1 becomes 0. Outside again you have ln. So how much ln 0 now? Now ln 0. ln 0 is undefined. And then give us undefined this. Okay, so I have to no problem. I thought I had opened the ebook, but no need for that. Okay. Now, for example, from here, is 51. Exponential function 4 times we don't need. So yes, and then of course no need. Yes, here we can do. No, this is not. Okay, fine. Okay. So right now, as I told you, we have to basically answer this convergence divergence without integration. So of course we need a method. Okay. Right now, so please, in same exercise number 8.8 is we have a method is called direct comparison test. Direct comparison test. In short, we say DCT. What we say? DCT. DCT. Direct comparison test. So actually we use this test just to confirm the improper integral is converges or diverges. Okay. In this method, no need for integration. So you get two questions from this topic. So if you count from 8.8, you get 3 or 4. Okay. 3 questions or 4 from 8.8.
So exam 1 question.
10.
Yeah.
Now, before I explain direct comparison test, we use one special series, okay, which we use here in these tests. That's called T series. What do you say? T series. T series looks like that. X divided by X power. Okay, this is called T series. And
What is
definitely
P?
we have here some finite number to positive infinities.
What is P?
P is power. P means X power. Okay. It has a property. This P series has a property. Okay. Rule means when P series converge and when P series diverge. Please note down. You have to know this thing. And this topic also will get in chapter 9. Because chapter 9 is completely on series. And same thing, we have to find series converge or series diverge. And small portion is coming already in chapter 8, 8.8. Please note down. P series converges if this P value, this power is, if P is greater than what? 1. The series converges when P is greater than 1. This P series diverges if P is less or equal to 1. Even if equal to 1, the series diverges. This, please note down this property. This is very, very important, please. Very, very important. For example, you have 1 over x power 3. Is it P series? Is what? Converge. Why converge? Because power 3 is more than 1. It is converges. Very good.
1 power 1.
1 by x.
Like,
Why diverges?
it's fine.
Because if the power is equal to 1, even equal to 1, the result is divergence. Okay. Yes, this one.
It's that's diverse.
So
Diverse.
1 over.
very nice. Diverge is because its power how much? Half. And half is less than 1. Understand the property?
Yes.
Yes. We need this property. Okay, just keep in mind. Okay. Now I explain the DCT, how direct comparison test works. Okay, please note down the rules and the calculation part of this direct comparison test. So P series I explained to you, and these properties, please, P series, if the power of variable is greater than 1, then converge. Less than or equal to 1, diverge, please. Okay, for direct comparison test, please, for DCT, what is that? Comparison. It means there should be something more to make comparison, right? The question is given to you. This is one function to you. The question is a one function, okay? We need one more function to make comparison. So how to get that function? Okay, so I'll explain to you how to get that function, okay? So let's say you have a function number 1, its name is A, and we generate function B, okay? Function A is given to you as a question. Function B, you will basically calculate by yourself. How to get this function? Just wait, I will introduce you how to calculate the second function, please. Now, then we check. who is big, who is small. A question is given to you. I name it A. Given question A. We generate second function. Let's say it's B. So this B we generate by ourselves to make comparison. After that, we will check which is big and which is small. Understand? Now, after checking big and small, now you have to check this condition. DCT has only two options. One, if converges, this implies that small also converges. First option for DCT is that if big converge, small also converge. And now number two, if small diverges,
Then what does mean big and small?
I have two functions and we check who is big, who is small.
How do, so you have to check this number.
No, first check who is big and who is small. Then we say then we say who is converged and who is not converged. Okay. If small diverges, this implies that big also diverges. These are only two rules of DCT, direct comparison test. There is no third option possible. Can you just tell me what is the third situation you can get?
If big divergence.
If big
Divergence.
diverge, is it available here? No, so it means DCT doesn't work. This test fails. This test doesn't work. We say inconclusive. We cannot decide about the question, it is converges or diverge. We say inconclusive. So if you have only these two situations in your question, then you can answer. Then you can decide that converge or diverge. Otherwise, if you have any other third situation which is not covered here, this test does not tell you anything about them. We call mathematically inconclusive. Inconclusive means what we say. No natija.
No result.
No result. We don't know. The procedure, changing the method. This method is fails.
No, there's no result. What?
Inconclusive.
If what?
If any third option you will interact.
Small.
Let's say small converge. Then what's the answer? Do you have any rule here for small converge? No. Or big diverge. Any rule here in big diverge? No. So these situations not answered by DCT.
How can we know it's big?
Yes. Just wait.
Physics before.
So please, this is the the DCT rules. Understand the rules?
Yes.
Okay, let's start the question, please. Okay, I can start with the initial questions. Okay, 51 question, please. Integrate 1 to infinity dx by x cube plus 1. Question 51.
So that's if we solve the normal and then we apply the steps.
Question 51 is integrate, just wait, 1 to infinity dx divide by x cube plus 1. Okay, x cube plus 1. Now, this is a question, and now in exam it will mention by using a comparison test.
You see.
Okay, actually we have two tests. Okay, so this first one. So by using a comparison test, maybe I mentioned by using DCT. So now you are not using the integration, no. So I told you method mentioned, use only that method, please. So if the question is by using direct comparison test, determine okay, by the way, is it improper? Is it improper?
Yes.
Yes or no?
What is it?
Yes, because upper limit infinity, of course, is improper. So we ask the question by using direct comparison test, determine this improper integral is converges or diverges. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. What I told you for DCT, you need two functions. Function number A and function number B. Function A means given question. So what is the given question, please?
Yes.
So you're right, my function A is basically one over x cube plus one. I told you, we do not integrate. No, no, no. Without integration means, look at here. Have you seen anywhere integration here in the formula, in the rule of DCT? No. It's only comparison, big small, okay? Right, now I need function B, please. What I need? Function B. Now, how to generate a second function from the first function, please? Note down, please. This method which I am using is only works in selected question, not every. Okay, so don't try in all the questions. Anyway. Now, how to write the second function to make comparison? Look at here. In the numerator, what do you have? One. Or only one. Is there any other value available? Okay, so the numerator is one. No problem. Okay. In denominator, what you have?
X cube.
X cube and one. Look at here. Your x is going from where to where?
From 1 to infinity.
1 to infinity. Infinity means my x is going very, very, very large. Yes or no?
Yes.
If this x value become very, very, very large, can you make comparison of this x power 3 with very, very large with 1?
No.
So if you compare x cube and 1, who is more strong value? Yeah, so 1 we call it is insignificant. It has no value in front of x cube. Because
So what-
x is going what? Infinity, very, very large. So please, when you compare between x cube and 1, the more dominant is who?
X.
X cube. So this is the way to generate the second function. The more dominant, component we have it in numerator also and in denominator also. Okay. So A is my question, B I generated. You understand what I generated? Very good. Now, can you decide about B? It is which series and what is the decision? 1 over x cube is which series?
Converges.
P series. And power how much?
3.
3. Converge or diverge? So please look at here. This P, this is basically converges. It is P series. It is P series, please. It is P series. And it is convergent, please. And converges. I told before, from the property, I told you already P series. I took P series in the here when you start the question here, I think somewhere here. I did such. Please, I told you P series. If P value is less than 1 or equal 1, diverge. If it is greater than 1, so converge. So it's 3. More than 1, yes or no?
Yes.
So what's the decision?
Converges.
Converge. Okay, now we compare. Okay. Now what we do? We have to check between A and B who is big and who is small. So do one thing, please. Start the comparison. Here in A, okay, our x value start from where? Okay, 1. Yeah, 1. One. Put here 1 here and here. So please tell me what is the answer, please. When you put one here, answer how much?
1 over 2.
1 over 2. If you give me decimal, so easy for me. 0 point? Okay. 0 point, sorry. So I have 0.5. And here if you put 1. Okay. Now, after 1, put 2, please. Here and here. So means actually
1 over 9.
it's not something important. Means I put 1, so this is my answer. When I put 2, yes, after there.
Just 0.11.
0.11. Okay. If I put here 2,
1 over 8, which is
0.125.
1. Okay. One value. Put 3 now. Here and here.
0.1.
0 point.
1.
Okay. Put now 3 here.
0.1.
This is 1 over 27. This is 1 over 28.
First one.
And here is 1.
0.356.
So this is 0.357.
There's answer 0.1. 0.0.
0.0. Okay, okay. Now, and if you put here 3,
0.037.
0.037.
0.037.
3.
7.
Okay. Now, please, can you judge who is big, who is small?
B.
Come on, please check. Who is big, who is small?
B.
Is big?
Yes.
This is big. Okay. And is what? Small. Okay. Now, look at here. You already have a decision about big series. This is big. Is what?
Convergence.
Converges. So, as per DCT rules,
Small or
if big converges, what happens?
small or small.
Small is your question. So it means as per the DCT calculation, if big converges, small also converges. So you can see small is your question, yes or no?
Yes.
So this question, this integral is what?
Convergence.
Converges. Just like the answer. This is converges. This implies that converges.
So this is the answer.
This is the answer. Yes, please.
I couldn't get it. Why it's convergence?
Because, see, you have them now?
No, I understood.
Okay, good. Now we have these two, two functions, okay? We have to check now who is big and who is small. By the way, 1 over x cubed, understand it is P series, and because P is more than 1, it is converges. Very good. Now we have to check who is big, who is small. So x values are available from 1 to infinity. So put here 1 in both of them, 1. So it is giving me 0.5, it is giving me 1. Now next put 2 here and here. So 0.11, 0.12, then put 3, okay? So we checked. This is small, this is big. So B is big and is small, understand?
Yes.
Now look at here, big is what? So as per DCT, if big is converges, small automatically converges.
And small is question. And the small is the question.
And small is the question, yes. Yeah.
If the limits were from 1 to 10.
No, not possible. No. In this question, limit always start from positive number. That's it.
You
So
have,
this question not possible.
you have to try the 3 numbers.
It's up to you. It's up to you. 3, 4 is sufficient.
So in the exam, it will be written there that we should mention if it's converges or diverges.
Yes. You have right answer. The question is that using direct comparison test, determine the given integral in converges or diverges. Okay, try one more question, please. 52, please. 52. Dx by x square root minus 52. 52, please. Sorry. 52. Integrate 4 to infinity. 4 to infinity dx divided by square root of x minus. Okay. Right. Step 1, same like before. What I do this, what I did before?
A equal.
My question is A. So let's say my question name is A, which is basically on 1 over square root of x minus 1. Now we want to generate second function. Generate B.
1.
So in the numerator, there is nothing, only 1. So please copy paste as it is. And divide by between x square root and 1. Who is more dominant?
The x value was down.
Okay, fine, good. Decide about this B.
Diverges.
Very good. It is B series and what?
Because it's a
What is that now, please?
divergence.
This is, please, your question is not B. Your question is what? A. So don't, this is not the answer. This is only the decision about my second function, please, okay? My question is A, okay? I need answer from for my A, okay? After that, what we did? We check who is big, who is small. Okay, please.
Start with 4.
Of course, start you are going to place a starting value. 4. Not put 1, please. Otherwise, you get wrong answer. Start from 4. Please put 4 here, 4 here,
1.
5 here, 5 here. Okay, here is 1.
Yes.
And this side, This one,
0.5.
0 point? Okay, now put 2. Sorry,
No,
not 2.
5.
5. The second value.
5 at 0.81.
0 point
81.
81. And here you put 5.
0.45.
0 point
45.
45. Take one more value. Put 6 here.
0.689.
6, 8, 9. Okay, and you put 6 here.
0.41.
Okay, who is big? Who is small, please?
The A is bigger.
A is big.
Yes.
Actually, first decide about that one where you have the seal. So this one is what?
Small.
It is small. And it is big, correct? Okay, now look at what happened. Small is what?
Divergence.
What is there any rule in DCT who deals if small diverges?
Big also. Big also like.
So you can check please. The DCT says if small diverges, big also
Divergence.
diverges. So my big is question. Understand? It means my question, which is big series, as per DCT, because DCT says if small diverges, big also diverges. So it means my question is what now?
Divergence.
Diverges, exactly. Now, do you understand how we work with this DCT method?
So we should check the B. If it's small or big, let me decide.
Yeah.
The
Clear? A is my question. I need answer about my question, please. Okay, let's take a few more questions, please.
So the bigger one is your question.
Huh?
The bigger one is your question.
No, not my bigger. It depends. My question sometimes become big, sometimes it depends on the values which you use as a testing. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think you can try now. 61. Come on. Now is your turn. Don't worry. They only use T. T mean X. Okay, please. Same like.
Can I change it and put X?
No problem. Change it to X. Don't worry. 61. Come on. Now it's want to check how you are working, please. 61, please. 2 divided by T power 3 by 2 minus 1. And T is X, same X, please. Don't confuse. So follow same
Minus
steps.
1 by?
Minus 1. Yes, minus 1. Exactly, minus 1.
Should we take 2 outside or leave them?
No. Keep with you, please. Your question is 2 divided by T power 3 by 2 minus 1. And then we generate second function, please, B. So what is B? 2 divided by T power 3 over 2. Very good. Now decide about B. Converge or diverge? B. How converge? Very good. 1.5. 1. So it is converges. Next step. Go. We check big and small. So be careful. Your T will start from where? Yes. Be careful. From 4 you have this. 4, put 5, and in both of them. Okay, one by one.
We should apply up and down. Like should I calculate 2 over?
Of course, you already said my A is this one, my B is this one. Please put in both of them. Sorry?
Incomplete.
Oh, so what happened?
Small ones converges.
The small converges. So if small is converges, do you have any rule in DCT? If small converges, so what happened?
No, there is no rule.
Okay, so what do you write as answer? We don't know. Inconclusive. It means this method is not working on this question. We need other method. Okay? So don't worry, we have other method. Okay? We have to use other method.
Because common.
So, do you understand how we get the inconclusive statement situation? Because right now, if you calculate it, smallest converges. Unfortunately, there is no rule. There is no rule in DCT who says if small converge was the answer. Is there any available? No. So write inconclusive. Or you can say DCT doesn't work here. So we can use any other procedure to check about this question. Okay? Right. One last thing related to this DCT, and then we go for second procedure because, as I told you, in 61 question, DCT not working. It's not giving you any answer because you want to know this integral converge or diverge. Okay. I'm just changing the function now. If you look at here, 59 question, which function is there in 59? Cosine. And in 60? Sine. Okay. One thing, please just keep in mind. If you have cosine function or sine function, we always use DC. Don't use other method. Okay. Other method doesn't work, please. So this thing, note down, whenever you have sine cosine function and they're asking from you, this is converges or diverges, please, you use which method? DCT. Okay? Direct comparison test, which we are using now. Okay? How we will use this DCT in sine cosine? Now I will explain to you. Okay? Please. Yeah.
When our answer is inconclusive,
So
you said,
this side inconclusive.
that's it? Yeah.
Now you cannot say it is converge or diverge. Don't know.
I thought you were saying that we have another way.
Yes, just wait. Just wait. I now introduce you other method also. Yeah, and that method will work here. Okay.
For this question,
Inshallah, we answer same 61 question by other method, and it will give the answer.
So that's it, it doesn't work here or we use other.
In exam, don't worry. We don't give question which is not the answer. Okay. Yes.
so the second method, not even.
No, we discuss. Just wait. Just wait. Okay. Now, what I told you, if you have sine in your question or cosine in your question, so please, you always has to use DC, okay, direct, which we are using now. Okay? How will use? I will introduce you, please. So I take 59 question, please. So pi to infinity is a limit, please. 59.
For 61, what we should limit?
No, just write inconclusive. Just write inconclusive. That's it. Yes, please. When I introduce the second method, then you can apply on that. Okay. So question 59,
That's
integrate from pi to infinity,
yes. And then 2 plus cosine x
2 plus cosine x
over x dx.
over x dx. Okay. We know very well. We don't need the integration. Okay. Right now, actually here you cannot use to generate second function by that method which I told you. Just compare who is more dominant and that. No, because now it is trigonometric function. Okay. So I told you already. Use here same comparison test, right? DCT. Okay. But how you use in this sine cosine cases? Please note down. Please note down. Okay. Do you know sine cosine answers are maximum how much?
One.
What is the range? Range means
One.
huh?
You get 1 to 1.
Very good. Sine and cosine, their minimum answer -1 and maximum answer 1. Yes. You can check. Sine 90 degrees, sine, you have, sorry, the radians of sine pi by 2, 5 pi by 3. Any maximum answer how much?
1.
1. Understand?
Yes.
Sine and cosine have same property. Maximum answer how much? 1. Yes. You can check. Okay. So I use this fact that cosine x is basically less or equal to
1.
yes. Do you know this thing? Yes or no? All of us know very well that cosine answer or sine answer is maximum how much? 1. Either equal to 1 or less than 1. Agreed or no? Yes. Did it? Because you're surprising, I don't. Okay. Now, look at the question, please. In the question, in numerator, with cosine, what you have?
Two.
Two. Two, okay.
And the maximum will be
Now,
How can we generate another equation?
now I'm getting. Actually, in sine cosine, you do not use the same method which I told before to generate second one, okay? Here, no. Here, that method which I told you doesn't work, please.
Because you said cosine and sine, you always use cosine.
DCD, yes, but we not generate basically. Without generating, it's a comparison, who is big, who is small, okay? Right. Now, please look at here. In cosine, what you have? Okay, if I, in this inequality, if I add here 2, what happens? It still remains less or this quantity becomes greater?
comes to
No, I'm asking. I just add 2 here. In cosine, I add 2. So please tell me, when I add 2 here, now other, I mean this one, now miss this 2 plus cosine x answer is now less than 1 or greater than
Better.
Tell me, please.
It might be equal to 1 and it might be equal to more than
Or
more than.
more than. See, cosine answer, how much maximum?
1.
1. Okay, if I add here 2,
It's more than 1.
are you understand? Is more than 1 or maybe equal to 1? Yes or no?
Yes.
Should I change the inequality?
Oh, it's greater or greater.
So yeah, I'm asking, should I change this inequality?
yes.
I reverse it or no?
Yes.
Come on, tell me.
Yes.
Why reverse it? Keep the.
Come on, become greater. This answer is maximum how much?
1.
Okay, if I add 2,
More than one.
please tell me, this quantity 2 plus cosine x is still less than 1?
No, it's greater. Okay.
So tell me now, it is still less than 1 now?
No.
With adding 2?
No, and the two.
So what is that? So please, so then allow me please, I should change. I say what? I said what please? Yes, now I think you understand. It is what?
Or equal, doctor?
Yes. I will only ask you. Adding 2 here will affect this inequality, yes or no?
Yes.
Now, you understand? Are you understand, yes or no? It's good, okay. Right, so please,
Cosine x.
sorry,
If it's only cosine x.
see, I start with cosine x maximum answer less than 1.
So we should play with it.
Huh?
With the sine. We should put it on.
Exactly. See, this is the truth. This is the property. Then in my question, I have with cosine, I have plus 2. So when I add here plus 2, so definitely now this equation doesn't work, please. Is what now? Greater than or equal to 1. Understand point?
Why not make it less than?
Huh?
I don't make it less than.
See, that's no, it's not possible. Cosine x answer is 1. And adding now 2. So 2 plus 1 is less than 1? Huh?
We are two to both sides.
Very what?
2 plus 9 x less than.
Oh, no, I don't want to change on the side, please. No need. Means I'm just comparing my 2 sides, please. If my right side is 1, and now it's 2 plus 1, so this quantity, 1 is greater or less now?
Yes.
That's it. For the question. In the question, 2 plus cosine has divided by what?
X.
Okay. So please now, understand. If I divide x here, and if I same time divide x here, any change happen? I divide same quantity here and here, any change happen here?
No.
No.
Doctor, why we choose the x?
Because my question has 2, my question has x. Follow the question. I have to make the question. I have to make the question, please.
So doctor, why do we write by x, but we didn't add 2?
It has a reason.
Because we changed the.
Yeah, reason. It has a reason basically, okay? And what is that reason? Now you can see. Now you can see, okay. Can you decide something about this? Okay. This function and what is that?
P series.
And what decision about that? What is that? Divergence. Very good. Please, this is divergence. Okay. This is divergence. This is what?
So sir, this one is A and this one is B.
Forget about that. You can say, yeah, previous question, you can say, yes, yes, okay. So look at it, please. What is that? Divergence. And look at here. 1 by x is big or small?
Small.
Look at here, it's less.
Already.
So this is, you can see, the,
This is small divergence.
the inequality. So it is small. So small, and this is what?
Big.
This is big. So please tell me, your small is diverges. So as per DCT, if
Big.
small diverges,
Big
what happens?
also diverge.
Big also diverges. And this big is my question.
We should write it in the exam.
It's okay. It means it's fine.
Doctor, we should write
You
it
can write like that. No?
this way.
No, no problem. Just write like that. It's fine. I understand what you're doing. Okay. So small diverge. So as per DCT, big also diverges. So please. So it means my question is what? What please? Oh, very diverges.
Doctor, so when you add and subtract, you don't change the right sign, but if you multiply and divide, you change.
Actually, I didn't multiply anything. I just divide x. X is positive, you know.
Why didn't you put -2 on the other side?
Negative.
No, when you add something, you need to subtract also, so you don't change the equation.
No, no, I don't want to make balance. No, no, I don't want to make balance. I want comparison. Less or big. When you have equal sign, oh yes, then you have to make balance. I don't have equal sign. I have inequality. I can play.
Just
Please, huh?
Just
You're
change.
not working on equal, okay? Less is an inequality. With the bind.
Okay, I know.
Right.
Continue.
So like that. Okay, now try yourself, please. Next question is for you. 60 question, please.
60.
Yes.
Do we go back
1
to the-
plus sin x divided by x squared, please.
Do you go back to the same question instead of using the other?
61.
Which question?
61.
61.
Oh, just wait, just wait. I just start the second method, please. Just wait. We are working on DC, please. DC, we are working on DC.
It's the same basically, but without generating it.
Yes. Actually, this is exception. When you have sine cosine cases, you should do like that.
So you don't select that.
No.
Doctor, we
Just,
Means I make comparison. Look at it. I just make comparison. Look at this.
so you just compare.
Now, yes, small, big, look at here. No need, look at here. This inequality will tell you who is big, who is small. Look at here. 1 by x is small. So it's very clear. It's small. And it's greater, that's why it's big. And as per DCT, if small diverge, big diverge. So now please try.
The answer for this question is uncon.
Are you sure?
Yes. Because it's small and convergence. We don't have case where small convergence.
Okay. Okay.
X squared.
Please, try, try.
Because factor 1 over x squared. So because it's 1 and 1, so it's
What if I?
so this one is small.
Okay, much is something.
This one is big.
That's
The room.
But so we will not start chapter 9 today.
9? No, no, no. Inshallah, next.
So
Yes, please.
I think it's not.
So inconclusive?
Yes, exclusive, yes.
Okay.
Because it's small.
Same?
Small is preferred to converge. Small converges.
So you write sin x, maximum answer is 1.
Doctor, I have a question. Like, why is there a integral fixed line? We don't ever use it.
No, because we can answer this improper integral with this method also.
But not,
The only difference is that in this method, you don't get the answer value.
not
You just get converge or diverge.
number or infinity.
Yes. Here means with this method, you not get the, the thing. Okay, so you said it's inconclusive. Okay.
Small convergence.
Sin x, you said this is Oh, yes, I think, because, okay, I'm sorry.
Sounds good. Yeah.
If I just remove one here, check sine x over x squared, then check means what I mean. If I make the question like that, please. If it is only sine x over x squared,
It would
then,
be big convergence. No,
then can you get the answer? If I just remove, check now. I clean the question now. Now the question is sine x over x squared. Now try. It converges? Okay. Right. So please, like that, we can make questions. Now I make a new question for you. Sin x by x squared. Check now. Oh, means you can easily make now. Sin x less equal to 1, right?
so
Divide x squared here, divide x squared because there's no chain. So what is that?
Big convergence.
Converges and it is big.
Yeah.
So small also?
If big converges, small also converges.
Yes.
I picked up sine x. But sine 90, it's 1.
Yeah, but not more than 1. Not exceed the 1.
Yes.
So less or equal to 1.
Yeah.
Make sense? Yes. Good. Next one is. That's good. Okay, let me check any other question we have. Cosine, please.
Doctor, what is the answer for 60 with the 51?
Sorry, 60 or 61?
No, 60 with the
With one inconclusive, it won't be inconclusive because you're right. Because if I make here,
yeah. It will be the
means if you start like that, sine x that's equal to 1. Okay. Actually, see, inconclusive means there are two options. Maybe you have to what we say, you have to slightly change in your technique or change the method. Okay. Inconclusive mean maybe we have to change in our technique, in our calculation, or change the method. So oh yeah, it doesn't work at all. Right, means if I make it here 1 and plus, okay. So I have reversed this inequality, right? Second, I have to reverse this inequality because it's 1 and it's 4. Okay, then keep it on both sides.
convert you.
So this is very small.
Very small.
Anyway, I have to check it. I have some doubt. Maybe I'll check again. Anyway, don't worry. So as I told you, 61 question, DCT fields, right? Okay. Let's talk about one more method, which is much stronger than DCT. DCT is very weak, by the way. It's not very strong method. So what is the next method of comparison? By the way, also comparison, okay? But not with big, small, no. The second method which we can use, it is called LCT. So DCT is direct comparison. LCT means limit comparison. So please note down the second method, please, for comparison is called LCT, means limit comparison method. Limit comparison method. It is called LCT. Very strong method. Very strong method. And very good because it's very strong.
Doctor, should it be test, not method?
Oh, yeah, 60 means test. LCT. Limit comparison test and direct comparison test. DCT and LCT. Now I will let you know its calculation and rules, please. Actually, in DCT, there is no calculation. You just generate a second and then you just compare who is big and who is small and then, okay? LCD has a calculation, second. Okay, step one means generate means name your function A, B. Step number two, generate second function. They are same, in LCD same, okay? In DCT, the step number three, you check big and small, okay? But in LCD, no need to check big and small, no. LCD is not the big and small calculation. LCD has proper calculation. Please note down this calculation. So please, step one, you have to name. My question is A and the function which I generated is B. Step number two, you have to decide about that it is converged or diverse. Then step number three, in DCT you make big and small, but here no need for big and small. Here what do you do? Here we perform a calculation because it's called limit. So you have the limit. Limit x approaches to infinity. Function A divided by function B. You have to calculate this calculation. Perform this calculation. Now, if the answer is positive finite number, answer how much? Positive finite number. If the answer is what? Finite means not infinity. Not infinity, okay? Positive finite number. So it means your decision, whatever you decide about B, okay? Your decision is the answer. Decision is the answer.
What do you mean decision?
Decision means when you generate second function. When you generate second function, so check it is a P series is converge or diverge.
So B is the answer.
So whatever you decide about that B is answer. So for the question. If you decide converge, so answer is converge. If you decide is diverge, so the answer is diverge. But please, this calculation must give you what? Ah,
So either both converges or both diverges.
that's a very good understanding. Yes. Either both converges or both diverges. There is no third option. You are right.
So we divide the function A over function B
Yes.
and
And
the
calculate limit on infinity. Check the answer. If answer is a positive finite number, whatever you decided about the
B.
before B, it is answer of the question. Clear?
and it's infinity.
Just wait, just wait. It's the first option, okay? Second possibility. You perform this calculation A divided by B, and answer is what?
0.
0. Is 0 comes in up.
Positive.
Please, 0 is not positive. 0 is not. That's why for 0 we perform the rule separately. Because the first rule says the answer must be what? Positive finite. 0 is not positive. It is finite, but not positive. That's why it's not comes in this category. Okay, now what happened please? In this situation, if you perform the calculation function A divide function B, then you calculate limit on infinity, and your answer is what?
0.
0. Okay. If your answer is 0 and decision, and what we decided, the decision is converges what? Converges. Then answer is converges. This condition, if decision is what?
Converges.
Then answer is the answer of the question is okay. Now look at here.
If
Means
it's divergent.
please, maybe quite possible. You perform the calculation and you get what?
0.
0. But your decision is the what?
Convergent. Divergent.
Diverge. So inconclusive. No answer. Because there is no situation in LCD who is covering that calculation answer 0 and decision diverge was the answer. No, not covered by LCD.
What's the?
If decision is diverges, in that case, LC doesn't work.
If A over B is equal to 0.
Yeah. If A or B is 0 and your decision is converges, then answer how much? Converges. If A or B is 0 and your decision is diverges, oh no, it's not covered here. It's inconclusive. Okay, what is third possibility can come in your calculation?
Negative.
Negative, not possible.
Infinity.
Infinity, very good. If during your this calculation, limit calculation, if your answer becomes infinity, please, number third possibility, please. Limit x up to infinity, a over b, if the answer how much? Infinity. And your decision is, and decision is what? Then answer is, yeah, because I told you, as you said, either in this situation, either both converge or both diverge. That's why the decision and this calculation must match. That's why in LCD, both either both converges or both diverge. It isn't like that. Means your calculation is finite and decision is diverge, so is a converge. No, not like that. So if your decision is diverges, then answer is diverges. Then answer is diverges.
So,
Yes, please.
can you explain number one?
Number one, okay, look at it, please. Actually, it's very easy, don't worry. When it is the question, you will understand it very easy. Look at it, please. You have function A, function B, please. Divide them and then calculate limit on infinity. Let's say your answer is 3. It's 3 positive finite number?
Yes.
Very good. Now check what you decide in your question about B. Let's say it is converges. So your answer is converges.
If it was diverges, it will be.
If the answer, the scene is diverges, so your answer is diverges.
Small, big.
No. That is DCT.
Oh.
DCT need big, small. Here, calculation required. We are using now other method, LCT. Please.
So, doctor, whatever is generated is the answer.
Exactly.
But doctor, we will use it only if the CT does not work, right?
Yes, you can say that. But in exam, see, mention the method. You use LCT, you use DCT.
But if DCT does not work, should we apply LCT or leave it as it is?
You are talking about in exam.
Yes.
I don't put any question like that.
Confused.
So either it will work or not.
Huh?
So you
But generally, for example, you are practicing, for example, 61 question, you apply DCT, it doesn't work. You can answer now on this 61 question, this method. Okay?
But in exam, no.
In exam, I don't give you any question with some method will fail. No. The method that I mentioned will work. That's not
But
what.
doctor, in exam, will we have inconclusive answers?
That's what I'm asking. No. No, you have the answer. Converse, divert, you get it. I don't have any question where the answer is inconclusive. No. There's a point? Okay.
So doctor, in case 3, this part of infinity is one of the positive or negative.
No, it always come it always gives you positive, please. Okay? Now, let's have the question, please. Let's start with that question which we, failed already. Huh?
See what?
Doctor, in the exam, you will use DCT or not?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, please. When we try 61 question by DCT, DCT doesn't work. You tried it, so no.
Yes.
Okay. Let's answer 61 question now with the help of LCT. Yeah? So I write now 61 question, please.
So continue now.
Yes. So continue now. So for 61 question, please, you tried already by DC, but it doesn't work.
4 infinity,
4 infinity
2 DD
to D
over 3, 2 power 3 over 2
3
over
over 2
2 minus 1.
minus. Okay. Now, Same like, DCD, first of all, generate second function, understand? So this is my A, my question is A, which is two divided by T power 3 by 2 minus 1. My B, how much please you generate B?
Two over.
Very good. Now, we are not using DCD. In DCD, after this step, you check the big and small, okay? Okay, anyway, decide about B, about make decision. This is 2 by T for 3 by 2. Give me the decision, please. Convergence, okay.
1.5.
Convergence. Until here, you done already.
Yes.
When you applied the until here, right?
Yes.
In DCT, after this, we check big small. We are not using DCT. We're using what?
A over B.
LCT. Okay, now, yes. LCT says you have to perform this calculation. Look at it. Let me. I have T here, don't be confused. T approaches to infinity. A, which is 2 divided by T power 3 by 2 minus 1. Divide B 1 over T.
No, it's
The switch multiplied.
Yes, please. It switched. Exactly. Split. T power 3 by 2. Do you understand my point?
Yes.
A divided by B. Please, this divide is changed to multiply. It's split. Yes or no? Please. So 2 over this one will become what? T 3 by 2 divided by 2. So please, I'm just eliminating from here.
Two and
Do you understand the yes or no? A divided by B.
two and two.
Is split? Yes. Exactly.
Exactly. That becomes multiplied.
Now you can write one more step if you want. Otherwise, you can go directly, no problem. T approaches to infinity. I have E raised to power 3 over 2.
Minus 1. Oh, okay.
Okay. Now please tell me, you need a limit of this function. How you find limit?
One.
Huh? Which rule we use for limit in chapter 7?
Logarithmic.
Huh?
Logarithmic.
Logarithm. Very good. And you know very well.
The derivative of
If the limit is on infinity and up and down degree are same, so we only take the coefficients of the highest degree. Yes or no?
Yes.
Use shortcut. So what's the answer here? 1. Now please tell me, is 1 is a positive finite number?
positive.
Okay, so by LCD, if your calculation gives you positive finite
Both
number,
convergent.
so whatever you decided, this is the answer. What decided is converges. So the answer of the question is converges. So please, the answer of this 61 question is, what is that? Converges. I hope you understand.
So the term for LCT in the beginning we apply like DCT.
Yeah.
Then we will.
Starting steps are same.
Yeah.
In DCT, you have to take big, small, but in LCT, no, only perform calculation. Function A divides function B. Yes, please. Question? Yeah.
What are the coefficients like when the same? Like 3 over 2 and 3 over 2.
Is it, yeah, same degree.
If it wasn't,
Oh, now actually we have 3 options. If you have limits on infinity, if up degree is small than down,
There.
up degree is small than down, then
What?
up is small, down is big.
0.
0, 0. If same degree is
One.
coefficient, no, not one, coefficients. Coefficient means
1 over.
whatever coefficient here, okay? Coefficients, here is now how much? 1, here is how much?
The coefficient.
1. Let's say it is 3 and here is 2. Answer?
3 over.
Exactly, okay? If up degree is more than down,
Positive or negative.
positive or negative infinity. And please, in this case, if up and down is basically means up more than down, in this case is diverges. Because
Okay.
infinity answer. So it's diverges, okay? Anyway,
Doctor, if it's not the same, we have to perform the calculus.
exactly,
But it won't.
exactly. So you have to, let's say, but here is always infinity. By rule, always infinity. Use shortcut. Same degree, up degree is more than down, or
Sometimes you can't use this property. Sometimes you can't use this property.
we can use when the limit is on some number. That t approaches to 3 or approaches to 5 or 6, then we can use this property. But in LCT, in the rule is infinity. So you always can use this short, please.
So Doctor, any number multiplied by x for power 2 over power 3 will equal to 0.
Up is what?
Up is any number multiplied by x power of 2 over power of 3. Like the power up is this than the power down.
Power up is less than down,
Yeah.
and the limit is on infinity, 0.
Always 3.
Always, yes, right, no problem. Okay, come on, we can perform some few more questions, please. Let's try question number 57. Yes, please, come on. 57, use LCD, please, LCD. I think we did not use VCD on 57, right? So please, use LCD in 57, please, 57. That's right, x plus 1 and over x squared, 57, please. Use LCD, x plus 1 over x squared, 57.
That's from 1 to 3.
Question 57, it is 1 to infinity,
And then square root of x plus 1
square root of x plus 1
over x squared dx.
over x squared and dx. Okay. Use, please, use LCD, please. Use LCD to determine converge or diverge. Determine converges, diverges, please. Yes, please. Yes, step 1. What is your function A? Question? Yes, right.
Then you generate.
A is equal x plus 1 square root divide by. Very, very good.
How do you generate?
Function number B. Yes.
Over x.
Okay, now in your numerator, you have two terms, x and 1. Who is more dominant?
S
X, it has what?
square root of square.
So I have square root of x. And divide by down I only 1
So x squared.
x squared. Very good. I generate my second function.
Now we divide.
But can you why we chose the square root of x?
Because see, x is going very, very large. So
Like before.
1 is now, 1 has no value in front of x now.
Significant.
It's insignificant. Yes, good.
We should see the power down or up? Down, right?
Huh?
We should see the power down or up?
I don't understand.
X squared.
No, whenever you generate second function, first of all, check in the question, what is in the numerator? In numerator, I have two terms, x and 1. Who is more dominant?
X.
X, it has square root. Huh? So take x square root. Down, you have only one term. Just copy paste as it is.
Yeah, but
Let's say it is x here. Then,
like X.
exactly.
What I'm asking the two series to know if it's converges.
Yes, yes. Now, oh, good, good. Yes, good. That's good. Yes. Now, please. First of all, tell me how you understand we generate how generate. Very good. Now we have to make decision about B. It is converges or diverges. So please first simplify it. Oh. Change into P series. How? Look at here. X has power how much? And down. Okay, move 1 by 2 power down, please. It becomes 1 over x power 2 minus half. Tell me about that. How much towards half? Check please.
1.1.
3
3 over
1.5. 3 over 2. So, converge or diverge? This is my decision. Converges? Yes or no? Okay. Yes, converges. So now, basically, you decide your decision has done converges. Now we have to perform calculation for LCD. What is the calculation?
A over B.
A over B. Very good, huh?
Doctor, but
We should take that.
why do we have to simplify?
Otherwise, this is not P series. This is not P series. 1 by x means constant by x. We need P series to make decision.
Like we can't just say like the x square like from the beginning is convergent.
Exactly. But no,
Maybe
no,
wrong.
please, because up x versus power, it changes power down. Look at here, it was 2, but now it become how much? 3 by 2. Is 1.5.
Doctor, when you put the power down, where does the X will?
No, please, when you take the power, so up, no more, finish.
So the X will be one.
Ah, become 1, exactly. It's 3 by 2, 1.5, which is what? Converges. So decision done? Okay, now perform. Yeah.
Now when we apply A over B.
Ah.
we should take the-
Yes,
the
yes.
B.
Now perform calculation, please.
LCD.
LCD calculation, what is that? Limit x, sorry, x equals to infinity. A, what is A? X plus 1 square root divided by x square. Okay,
Can we-
now divide. Yes, right. Divide, change to multiply and flip it, please.
6 power 3 over
Please, save time, please, huh? Divide, change to multiply, B, flip it, okay. What is my B?
one over.
Please, don't use this one. Use this one, please.
Yeah.
Why? Because it is much easy to make calculation. Because here x will cancel out. That's why, okay, so get here,
X is good.
Then what's the point of simplifying?
x. This is only for decision, only for decision, because I want to make decision, I need P series. That's why I can simplify. Now, x square divided by square root of x, okay. Now, perform calculation, please. Done? Yes or no? Okay. Do you understand what's the answer?
Yes.
Or I have to show you? The answer is
One.
yes, because look at it.
The same
Same
one.
Actually, you can say, however, square root, write both of them in one square root. And now you can see.
One.
Same.
That's one over,
Hours.
one over infinity.
So it is one square root, what is that?
Convert.
So the calculation answer is positive finite number.
To convert it.
Yes.
Yes or no? So what is this again? This is answer.
But we should take the one with the root. Like if it was 3 over 2, we should take it with the root.
I don't understand your point, please.
You didn't take one only. You take it with the root.
Yeah, to make my calculation simple, that's why. You can take this one. But it takes, very complicated. Yeah.
My question, last step.
Yeah, please.
If the power up and down are the same,
Yes.
if you would take like
Coefficients.
yes,
Yes.
but because of the root, you take the answer.
No, look at here. This root is for all of them. Means here. This root is for the complete, means both the terms are coming in this side. Actually, okay, I give you complete, concept. The thing is that basically, look at here, I give you complete rule. There is a property of limit. Limit can go inside the,
Square.
no, power, whatever power. If it is square root, the power is 3 by 2, its power is negative, positive. So look at it, I move this limit inside the square, look at it now. Square root and limit x up to infinity. I have now x plus 1 divided by. Now, how to get the limit of this question? X plus 1 over x on infinity. Use shortcut.
Coefficients.
Because up degree and down degree are same, so take on the coefficients. So what is the answer of the limit of this part? It's 1. And it has what?
Yes.
What's the answer? That's 1.
If the question, if x was 3 and down was 2, it's 3x plus 1 over 2x.
This is 3x
Yes, plus 1.
plus 1
Yes,
Okay.
over 2x.
over.
2x.
So the amount is 3 by 2.
Yes.
3 by 2 and square root is positive.
But this is my answer. I mean, this is my question.
Yeah.
We should
Yes.
Victor, tell me.
So as per the LCT, what's the answer, please?
Convert it.
Convergence.
Means we have positive. So answer of the question. Yes, please.
Alright, the case is academic sex approach. The numerator is greater.
No. This is positive or negative infinity. If up is more, down is small.
Doctor, this is the zero. Like 4 and 5.
Up is small, you are speaking zero. Yeah. And this one here. Yes. Now you understand? Good. Okay, so do you understand these two methods? LCD and DCD?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Can go last question. And then we just stop.
So Doctor will bring two questions, one entity, one dignity.
Yes, quite possible, exactly. Okay, last question, please. You can try this one. 55, please. Come on, check 55, please. By LCD. Dx x equals 6, huh? Okay, I write here for you. This is please 55. Integrate 0 infinity
Dx,
dx divide by square root of x power 6
yes,
plus 1. Yes, please. Apply LCD. Limit of present test. And that's inshallah be.
We'll finish chapter 8.
We'll finish it. So homework also I uploaded. So please.
Doctor, we have one or two, only one more.
What chapter?
Chapter 8 only one. Yeah, because I put it all the class.
And chapter 9.
9 also one more. We don't have time. Okay, please, for this question, try, I will take it in this meantime. I try if I get that in this sheet. So the function which should generate it, b, how much? One is what? X square root. Then further simplify.
1 over x.
Very good. So, oh, miss, how to convert this? Good. By calculus convert this.
the square root of x power 6 that half and here square root x 3. Okay. One over x.
But doctor, we take the 1 over the square root of x power 6 as calculation.
We take the
1 over square root x power 6. And doctor, we take this one.
for decision, yeah, this one. And now for calculation,
The
use x6 square root so that your calculation becomes easy. So first one.
Yeah, the answer is 6.
Okay, so I think, so now understand. Let me check if, can you, okay, means you can check later. Have you some questions related to this one, comparison method in the homework?
Yes, I think so.
Is there?
I think so.
If there is okay.
Hey, what's it?
I didn't remember the second question.
In the homework?